Hey everyone, welcome back to Code and Cloud with Amar. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize a logical volume in the Ubuntu. So, whether you need more storage for your apps or files, this is the essential skills you need to have. So, if you know about LVM, logical volume management, so let's see how we can increase that particular thing. So, first we need to check the LVM, right? So I need to get out of this one first. So let's get out of this one. Boom, boom. So yeah, uh, so clear the screen and let's start. So we will start with ls blk and we will see over here. So we have 50 gigs size and for the LVM, so logical volume is 46.9. And now so to extend this one, we need to first extend the partition, right? So the whole SDA we will be increasing it by 10 gigs. So let's jump to my Jenkins server or in the vSphere. So over here I will be increasing. This is 50, right? We will be increasing it by 10 gigs. So let's go to edit and we will increase to 60. Okay, so and from here, okay, and we will see over here it's 60 within a couple of seconds. Yeah, it's 60 now, but we also need to restart our machine, so let's do that one. So we will reboot. So sudo, it's already root, so reboot. So we will be rebooting this one. Reconnect, it will reconnect whenever the server comes up. Now the reboot is done, so we will start with again we will be seeing the things, that is lsblk, and we see over here is 60 gigs, but the logical volume 46.9 is not increased. It should be something around 57 or 56.9, something like that, right? But it is, we see it is not being increased. So how we can increase that one, that we have to see. So for that, first we have to increase the whole partition. So let's increase this SDA3 first. All right, so for that we will be using one command, that is cf disk enter. Okay, it needs permission, so let me do one thing, sudo su, and we will be becoming root, then we will do cf disk. And we see over here that there is a free space about 10 gigs which we have increased it, right? And we will be putting this 10 gigs to this SDA3. And how we will be doing this one, so we will select SDA3, it's selected now. Over here we will go to resize over here, so that's the resize, and we will enter, and the new size will be 56.9 gig. So let's again press enter. But from here, if we will click on quit, it will not write the changes. For that we need to go to write and enter. We will be giving yes or typing yes, yeah, we are accepting the changes, and then we will be quitting. Now if we see ls blk, so it's now, see, you can compare over here, it was earlier 46 point something and now it's 56 point something, right? 56.9 to be precise. But now we see over here that our lv is still, it is using the old one, means the lvm has not been increased. So let's see what is the there in lvm. So we will be first doing the, we will be first increasing the PV, that is the physical volume. So let's see the physical volume first. PV display. So we can see the physical volume over here. So it's 46.95. So we have to increase the physical volume to 56.9 or around that one, right? So what is the name of the physical volume? So this is the name of the physical volume, dev slash sda3. So we will be doing pv resize, right? So we will be physical volume we will be increasing. So pv resize and the name of the pv, that is slash dev slash sda3, enter. So it's been resized. You can see over here, I can show you one more time. pv display. So over here you can compare. Over here it was earlier 46.95, now it's 56.95. so obviously it's increased by 10 gigs. Now we have to increase the virtual group also. So let's see what is there in the virtual group. So vg display, virtual group display. Okay, I need to add is display. Okay. Okay, so we can see the volume group is also there. So volume group is having 10 gigs of free space. Now we have to inside volume group there is a lvm, right? So we have to increase the lvm. So logical volume we have to increase. So let's see, let's do one thing. Let display the lv first. Display. So this is logical volume display. So over here you can see it is showing the logical volume size is 46.95, but we need to increase this logical volume. So how we can do that one? So let's do extend of logical volume to 100%. Whatever the extra gvs are there, it will be added to the logical volume, right? So do lvextend L, so it will be 100%. 100% free space. Okay, I have to give it capital, right? And then we have to give the name of the logical volume. So this will be name of the logical volume, and copy, control c, control v, and increase. So if we do display again, we can see over here. So it's been increased to 56.95. So if we do now ls blk, we can see over here it's there, but if we do tf-h, we can see over here that still it's 47 and 39 is being available. It should be about 10 gigs more, that is 49 or something like that, right? So it should be 10 more. It's not showing the correct one, so it's not being increased. So now we need to increase this volume, right? This logical volume we need to increase. So for that one we need to resize this particular thing, because in group it is being increased but it is not reflected yet. So for that we will be doing resize 2fs, and we need to give or pass this particular path cv, enter. So it will get resized. And if we check now df-h, we can see over here the size is 56 and available is 49. So yeah, from here we can conclude that so it's being increased and the thing is being done what we intended to do. So yeah, that's it, I guess. So you can now try it yourself once. You can play it around with. And one more thing, this process I follow on my day-to-day activity. But it's not only way to do so. There are many other ways to do or increase the logical volume. But yeah, you can uh, this is the easiest way you can try. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. And now you have successfully increased the logical volume, right? So if you have found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and follow for more DevOps and cloud tutorials that will be upcoming. And also please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the future videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Code and Cloud with Amar. Until next time, keep building and keep automating. Thank you.